how to find the employee who has a maximum salary. The question complexity got increased here. Okay, here we need to find out the employee who has a maximum salary. Okay, so given list of employee. Okay, so here to solve this question, we need to sort the employee. We need to sort. So here we need to understand step by step how we'll solve this problem. Okay, so to solve this, first we need to sort the employee, means we need to get the list of employee in descending order. By what? By salary. We need to get the descending order employee list by salary, because in the question asked like employee who has a maximum salary. Once we get the descending order list of employee by salary, then from that list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Let's see step by step. Okay, first we need to get the sort the list of employee in descending order by salary. So here, so once we applied sorting on the basis of salary, okay, and we here as part of this we got the this result. So employee ID come first, because why? Because employee ID 9 has a maximum salary, and that is a 1500. Then second highest salary is 1200, that is employee ID 3. Then third, then fifth is fourth is employee ID 8 has a lowest salary 800. Okay, at the next step we need to find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, and that is the first employee is employee ID 9 who has a 1500 salary, and this would be our result. So in the result we expect employee ID 9 as a result. So jump to IntelliJ ID and solve the question. So I have already EMP. Let me add comment. Find employee who has maximum salary. Okay, so need to EMP list, then we need to convert into stream, then in stream what is step? We need to get the descending order. So you know, in stream we have a sorted method. So we need to sort on the basis of what? We need to sort on the basis of salary. Okay, so here we need to pass comparator, you know, comparator, and what is salary data type? Let me check. Salary data type, I think double only. Salary data type is double. So here we need to pass comparator. We need to comparing double. Here we need to pass employee, and here on the basis of what we need to sort? On the basis of salary. So salary get, why I'm not getting, okay, double, this is a method reference, get salary. Then we need to collect result into list. Okay, but here but we have applied sorted and we pass the comparator, and for comparator for sorted method we inform we need a sorting on the basis of get, but sorted method by default provides sorting by in natural order. So here let me tell you, let me validate sorted EMP list. Let me print it quickly. See, we got employee ID 800, then 1000, then 1200, like so. We got the employee list here in ascending order, not a descending. We got the here employee list in ascending order by salary, but we want in descending order. So here we need to inform to our sorted method, I want result in descending order. So with this we will get the descending order list by salary. Okay, let me, for more visualization, let me copy it, let me add it, let me to So this is the first, then oh sorry, then this, then this. So I think we got the expected answer as per the PPT. Yeah, so employee ID 9 come first, 3, then 1, then 8. So employee ID 9 come first because employee has maximum salary. Okay, so we are good with the first step. Now from second step, find the first employee from the previous sorted list. Okay, so we need to here so here we need to get the find first. Okay, find first. So find first employee. So if we find first, so for this step we have this answer. Okay, let me copy it properly. Copy this for this step. We got this, and from this, okay, in the answer we want the who has a maximum salary, means we don't need to send the list of employee. We want a single employee who has a maximum salary. So here no need to collect into result, just for demonstrate I shown you how that sorting is coming there. Okay, so for this step we got this answer, and from this we need to find the first employee. Okay, and for this step first employee, then we need to collect into get result and this, and for this step is get employee. Find first is I think already okay. I think get only. Why we are getting error here? Because here we assign the list of employee, but here as part of this step we will get the single employee, not a list of employee, because in the question also they want the single employee who has a maximum salary. EMP max salary. So from this step we are fetching first employee only. This step we will get this answer, and the same we are passing to next step. So here let me print this, let me run it. We expect employee ID 1 who has a maximum salary, and that salary is 1500. Cool, we got the expected answer. Let's match with the, yeah, this is the answer. I think you are super clear. So here you need to understand one thing. So for sorting we need to inform to our comparator I need a sorting on the basis of particular field. In earlier predefined data type, no need to inform to a sorted method, because in predefined data type itself is a single data type, but custom data type always have multiple field. Okay, so here we need to inform to sort it. For custom data type we need to inform on the basis of what you want sort. So here we inform to sort method I want sorting on the basis of salary. Okay, that's the reason we added here. And you know, comparator always helpful. So if you want sorting on the basis of different field, better to go with the comparator, not the comparable. So if you don't know how in what scenario comparator we need to use, in what scenario comparable use, so that is itself is a big topic. If you want more clarity, please let me know in the comment. I will try to create a detailed video and share with you guys. Okay, let's jump to next question. How to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary? Okay, question again is more little tricky. So here the employee given employee list would be same. So question is very similar like a previous question. Here how to find the employee whose salary is the second highest salary. In the previous question the ask was highest salary. In the now this question the ask is second highest salary. So I think the solving approach of this question and previous question would be same. So here again the same way we need to get the employee descending list by salary only as part of first step. In the second step, in the question asked is second highest salary. So in the second step, we can remove the first highest salary employee. Okay, that is the employee ID 9 who has the highest salary, that is 15,000. And from this, from the then once remove, then from the remaining list we can find the first employee with the help of find first intermediate operation. Okay, and so so in the answer we expect employee ID 3 would be the result. So jump to IntelliJ ID. I think we can copy as it is this, because the question is very similar. At one place only change is needed. Find the employee who has a second maximum salary. Employee second max salary. Let me print it. So till this point our logic is same. Now here we need to add one more step. Okay, so we need to skip first highest employee, because in the question asked is we want second highest employee. So we need to skip first highest employee. So here as part of this step I will get result like this. So from this, with the help of this expression, I will remove this employee ID 9 will not have in the result. So as part of this step, now we have only 3 employee, and from 3 employee we are finding the first employee, and that would be our employee ID 3. This would be our employee ID 3. And from this the same we are passing to next step, because with the for find first we will get the optional. Okay, so for optional I apply the get method to get the actual object. Okay, so I think you already aware what is optional. Optional is something to check whether, means optional is a container which maintain the value. Okay, if value is present then we can get the value. If value is not present then it will return the something empty kind of thing. Means optional we use in Java. Optional we got one feature as part of Java which to check null checking and all that. Okay, we can avoid the null pointer exception with the help of Java optional. So let me validate. If you don't know like how the optional work, what is optional, please let me in the comment. I will try to create a video on that as well. Okay, so employee ID 3 has a, so in the answer employee ID 3 who has a second highest salary. So we got the expected answer. I think you are super clear how to solve such custom data type question with a stream programming.